Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make funk beat. How to make funk beat in the FL Studio. So what is funk beat? Funk beat is actually a hip hop beat with a very funky instrument like cowbell instrument. So usually it's a combination of a hip hop drum, a hip hop style, which is like a trap style with a funky cowbell instrument. But the main instrument there is actually a cowbell instrument, like this cowbell instrument. So first of all, what you're going to do is to select your tempo. So hip hop beats usually ranging between 60, 70 to 80 tempo. So we have like our 100 here. To choose a tempo, we are going to choose 80. 80. So 80 for a tempo is going to be nice. So the first thing we're going to do is to lay our drum kick. So our hip hop drum kick. The first hip hop drum kick is this. No, the first you need to do is select your drum instrument. So you're going to select your drum instrument. What I already have here is kick. I have hip hop snare. So make sure it is hip hop. Then I have hi-hat here. So right now I already have a sample section. Then the kick, the snare, and the hi-hat. So I'm going to lay the snare. So I'm going to lay the hi-hat. So I'm going to chop the hi-hats right here. I'm going to press alternate U. Alternate U will help you spill. So guys, now that you've gotten your hip hop drum beat, so the next thing you're going to do is to get that particular instrument called the cowbell instrument. This particular cowbell instrument. So if you have an FL Studio in your computer, I'm going to show you where to get it. The first you need to do, what you need to do is to go to Pack, go to Drum. When you go to Drum, you go to Percussion. Go to Percussion. Then after Percussion, you're going to see right here. Right here, this is the cowbell instrument that is mostly used to create a funky style beat. Then all you're simply going to do is to left click your mouse and drag and drop. So we now have our funky beat right here, our funky sound right here. So we're going to lay this sound out. I'm going to right click and lay this sound out. So we're going to start creating a melody. I'm going to create a melody with this cowbell sound. I'm going to copy. So what I'm going to do is to select all, click Ctrl B to duplicate, alternate Q to quantize, alternate Q to quantize. So guys, we've just gotten our melody from the cowbell instrument. Then we're going to put a backup instrument on this particular to back up the cowbell instrument to spice up. So I'm going to bring in let's say a browse instrument. right now we just added this instrument as a background. You can also as well adjust the section of the instrument to change different type of instrument and see the one that fits it better. So guys, so this is how you make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button so that you continue to get notification whenever we upload any beat like this. We also have a free Telegram channel, a Telegram music production class, where we upload consistent videos on how to make beats professionally. So now we just added our background. So I just added an effect. So you can as well spice this up with other instruments. So in this particular section, I'm going to add a bass line, an 808 instrument, or a bass line. So I've just come here. So guys, we just spotted our 808. So we're going to take one of these 808 and put right here. So we're going to play our 808. So we're going to highlight and Ctrl B to duplicate. So guys, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever we post a video like this, you get a notification right away. So guys, this is pretty much on how to make a funk beat in FL Studio. So I'm going to see you in the next video. So make sure you join our Telegram class where we regularly post videos on music production tips and tricks. So see you guys in the next video.